y'all. Little bumpy. But I think this is where we're gonna spend the night. Settled in here at Moose Pass, Alaska for the evening. It's going to rain cats and dogs for the next couple of days, so the forecast says. Our Starlink is working fabulously. Woohoo! And the sun is out right now, and me and Kim are just gonna go walk around and check it out. Nice open gravel area. Lots of folks here. We're going to Seward. It's okay. We're going to Seward.
Seward. To do laundry and check it out.
And probably get some water.
It's a utility day. And it's rainy and nasty again. There's a dump station, water, and dumpsters here for free in Seward, Alaska. This is right off of B Street and William Park Campground, City of Seward. That's a hard word to say, y'all. But look at that view. How gorgeous is that? Oh my gosh. And this is where the cruise ship comes in. See the cruise ship through there? Oh yeah. So, and that's a campground over there. And what do you say, Mr. C?
Pretty good.
Pretty awesome. Yep, Seward is going to be gorgeous also. As soon as we get all of our utility stuff done. Bobby's gonna get water right now, and I have my laundry in the wash, and Kim is sitting there with it, because she's doing laundry too. So I can't be in two places at once. So the campground across the street from the dump station is Marathon Campground. It's a city park. And that sign there says online reservations only. So who knows how much this one is. Pretty view though. Really pretty view. Wow. Wow. Look at the layout of this campground. That's pretty big. I'm surprised. Check-in is at 1 p.m. Check out 11 a.m. Oh yeah, they got all kinds of rules and regulations and this, that, and the other. That's how you're supposed to park. While in Seward, we went to S&S Laundromat on 3rd Avenue. It's expensive, but thank goodness they have one, because we hadn't done laundry since we left Denali. It's $3.25 for the small washers, $8 for the 3-loader, and $10 for the 4-loader. The dryers for 15 minutes is $3.25. I did mine for 20, so it cost me $3.25. But I think it's like $2.25 to start. It's a laundromat, y'all. They have a restroom. It's clean and convenient to get to. It worked out for us.